The AliMed ONE wireless fall monitoring system with Easy Pair technology is simple to configure, with the ability to manage up to 6 wireless devices plus a hall alert. Depending on the level of fall monitoring required, the AliMed ONE system features bed, chair, and toilet sensor pads, plus a motion sensor to help reduce wandering. Setting up the AliMed ONE system is simple. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Set up the alarm base. Pair the hall alert. Pair the sensor devices. Begin by setting up the main system component, the alarm base. Turn the alarm over and unscrew the battery compartment. Install 3 AA batteries, ensuring they are positioned correctly. For a first-time or new patient setup, press the Clear Channels button to clear the system of any paired components. A series of beeps will sound, indicating all channels are clear. Then, set preferences for nurse call notification, volume, and tone. It's recommended to set the volume to medium during setup. Replace the compartment lid. The alarm base is now ready for pairing. Status indicators and control buttons are located on the front of the alarm base. The pair button initiates the Easy Pair one-touch pairing system to wirelessly connect the alarm base with the other components. The alarm status indicator illuminates when a paired device is triggered or when the hold button is pressed. The reset button resets the system when a paired monitoring device is triggered. The hold button temporarily disables the system, allowing staff to adjust sensor pads or move the patient without sounding the alarm. The system automatically reactivates after 30 seconds. The low battery indicator illuminates when the battery is ready for replacement. The hall alert pairs directly with the alarm base, providing visual and audible hallway notifications to alert staff for quicker responsiveness. Once triggered, the system can be reset directly from the hall alert by pressing the reset button, eliminating in-room patient noise and reducing patient stress. It is recommended to pair the hall alert before other devices, as the hall alert does not occupy one of the 6 available channels when paired first. For setup, open the battery compartment on the back of the hall alert. Install 3 AA batteries and select volume and tone settings. The hall alert is now ready for pairing. To pair, press but do not hold the pair button on the base. The base will beep, and the first channel indicator will blink, indicating pairing is ready. Place the hall alert next to the base. The pair indicator on the front will light when in range. Then, match the pair indicators on the sides of the hall alert and the base. The base will beep, and channel 1 will temporarily move to channel 2. After a series of blinking lights, both channel 2 and the alarm status indicator on the base will momentarily light and beep. Move the hall alert away from the base. If pairing is successful, channel 1 on the base will blink, followed by 2 beeps. The sensor pad transmitter pairs with the alarm base to enable a wireless connection with compatible sensor pads. The transmitter must be paired first before connecting it to the corresponding sensor pad. To pair, press but do not hold the pair button on the alarm base. A beep will sound, and the first open channel on the base will blink, indicating pairing is ready. Place the end of the transmitter next to the base. The pair indicator on the transmitter will light when in range. Then, match the 2 pair indicators. If pairing is successful, the base will beep, and the assigned channel will blink once. All lights on the transmitter will blink 3 times. The transmitter is now paired and ready to connect to a sensor pad. Connect the paired transmitter to a sensor pad, aligning the arrows on each connector. The assigned channel on the base will blink, and the alarm indicator on the transmitter will momentarily light. The connected sensor pad is now active. Each transmitter has a series of delay settings to allow for some patient movement without causing false alarms. While placing pressure on the sensor pad, press and hold the center delay setting button until the light illuminates. Then cycle to 0, 2, or 4 seconds based on your patient's needs. Wait until the delay time light turns off before releasing pressure from the pad. The base will sound. A sensor pad transmitter is required for each sensor pad in use. Repeat the pairing and connecting process for each transmitter and pad. When setup is completed, always test the alarm base, transmitter, and sensor pad together as a system to ensure proper operation. The transmitter operates with a non-replaceable battery. The change transmitter indicator will illuminate when the transmitter needs replacing. The motion sensor pairs directly with the alarm base, adding another line of defense against elopement. The alarm is triggered when the infrared beam on the sensor is broken. Before pairing, make sure the alarm base is on and the motion sensor is turned off. To pair, press but do not hold the pair button on the base. A beep will sound and the first open channel on the base will blink. Place the motion sensor next to the base. The pair indicator on the side of the motion sensor will light when in range. Then, match the two pair indicators. If pairing is successful, the base will beep and the assigned channel will blink once. The indicator light on the motion sensor will also blink. Once paired, turn the motion sensor on. Test with the base to ensure functionality. If you are having trouble pairing your system, here are some tips. Most system malfunctions occur due to one of two issues: improper battery installation or incomplete or incorrect pairing. Quickly resolve most issues by checking the batteries are installed properly and the back cover is secured in place, fresh batteries are being used, and all devices are paired properly. If you determine a component is not paired correctly, re-pair the device. If you cannot determine which device is paired incorrectly, open the battery compartment and press the Clear Channels button, then re-pair each device. If you're trying to pair two alarm systems simultaneously in the same room, you may experience wireless interference. To avoid this, pair systems one at a time. If issues continue, contact your AliMed representative for assistance. For technical data and component specifications, visit alimed.com/AliMed ONE. Cleaning the AliMed ONE system components. Use standard cleaning disinfectants with a soft, non-abrasive cloth. Do not immerse any components in fluids. Thoroughly dry devices with a clean, dry cloth. If a sensor pad becomes immersed in or saturated with liquid, the pad should be disposed of based on your facility's protocol. Then, connect a new pad with the paired system transmitter. After cleaning, check the alarm base and the hall alert to ensure they are functioning properly. The AliMed ONE wireless fall monitoring system offers simple, economical room coverage for smarter fall safety. For more information, contact your AliMed representative today or visit alimed.com/AliMed ONE.